Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says the value of this is. So, we have 1 by something plus something. Those something something are in root. So, look at this how we will manipulate this question. So, my idea is suppose that we have tr and I'm talking about the entity which is written inside. Okay, I want to split this thing into two components so that we can initiate the chain reaction. Okay, so it is 1 by root over a plus rx plus a plus r minus 1x. Okay, so whenever you will witness something inside root na in denominator, always do nothing, go for rationalization. So suppose that we do rationalization. So it is a plus rx minus a plus r minus 1x, and we have the same thing on the denominator as well, a plus rx minus a plus r minus 1x. Okay, so the denominator would look like a plus b into a minus b, and the numerator will be this a plus rx minus root over a plus r minus 1x. Okay, so denominator will become a plus rx minus a plus rx minus x. Okay, so this thing will be neutralize this thing will neutralize this thing, so minus of minus x will become plus of x. So we got a plus rx by x minus a plus r minus 1x by x. So this is our Tn. Okay, now we are good to go with applying the limit. So the first value of r is 1, so we will substitute r as 1 and look at this what we will get. So we got a plus x minus a, this as x plus. So this is your first component. Now substitute the second component r as 2. So we got a plus 2x by x minus a plus x by x plus. Okay, I will be writing one more thing. So we got a plus 3x by x minus a plus 2x by x. This is plus and this thing will keep on going, and the last component would look like this. We have to write down till n terms. So it is root over a plus nx by x minus a plus n minus 1x by x. Okay, now look at this. So first component of first term is eliminating second component of second term. This is eliminating this thing, so this will eliminate this thing and this thing will be eliminated by the previous thing. So we will be left with one component over here and one component over here. Okay, so the final result would look like root over a plus nx minus root a upon x. So this is our final result. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflex.